everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can delete Dropbox files and folder in PC. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in Dropbox.com and press enter. This will open the official web page where you need to get logged in. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account of Dropbox. So if you are not logged in, you provide the account credential and make sure you type in the correct account details. So once you are logged in, you need to select the file that you want to delete from Dropbox. For that, I'm just gonna go and select this picture over here. If you want to delete it, just click open this. This will give you this pop out. It will open the file. From here, you click on the dotted lines over here, and if you scroll down, you will find the option delete. You click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete this image from your Dropbox? Click on delete, and with that, this image from your Dropbox will be deleted right away. You can see the file is no longer visible over here. So likewise, I'm going to show you how you can delete another file. So this is the another file that I want to delete. If you do not want to open the file and go through the deletion process, what you can do is you can just select a video from here on the uploads that you have, right click on there, and you will have the option delete right over there. Or you can just click on this checkbox, which will give you all this option over here. From here, you can click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete this video from your Dropbox? Click on delete. And with that, that will be deleted from the Dropbox file immediately. So this is the way how you can easily delete files and folders in Dropbox. Just like that, click on mobile upload and click on delete. Delete once more and it will be removed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.